Hi, I'm Jerry with MiddleLoop, and today we show how to change the color of the background layer in Adobe Photoshop Software. We'll show more details in a moment, like setting the default color and how to make it transparent. But first, let's get right into it. Just to be clear, in this video, we're talking about the color of the background layer, not the background of an image. That's a whole different video. We'll provide a link to that in the description. So let's get into it. Here we have a new Photoshop image. As you can see, our background color defaulted to white. To change the color, simply hold down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a PC and tap the Delete key. And that's it. Our background layer changed to black. Why black, you might be asking? That's because black is the color we have set in our background selector. Control or Command Delete will change the color of the background layer to whatever we have selected here. We'll change it to a different color in a moment, but before we do, I wanted to point out that we didn't even have to unlock the background layer first to change its color. Now, if you prefer a different color, set the background color selection first by clicking on the lower right side of the foreground background selector icon. Choose your color, we'll select red, and now Command Delete on a Mac or Control Delete on a PC will change the background layer color to red. If you want to remove the background layer color altogether, making it transparent, you can do this. This time, you will need to first unlock the layer by tapping the lock icon. Once unlocked, you can simply change the visibility of the layer by clicking on the visibility icon. And then, if you want to lock the layer again, you can simply click this lock icon. When creating a new Photoshop file, you can pre-select the color of the background layer here. If you're using presets, the color will default to whatever color you used last time for that preset. To select a different color, you can use the drop-down box to select white, black, whatever is currently set in the background selector we showed earlier, transparent, or you can choose an entirely different color, which you can also do by tapping here. And as you can see, creating a new Photoshop file will use your selection as the color for the background layer. And that's it for today's quick class on changing the color of the background layer in Photoshop.